Hello students, myself Bhagyashri Halankar, and you are going to learn Variation in Flower Part 1 in Module number 18. This Module number 18 is from Unit 1 Morphology of Angiosperms. The outline of the module is variations in flowers based on the number of floral whorls, symmetry and sexuality. Variation in plants based on the sexuality of flowers borne on it. Example of plants showing variations in flower. At the end of the module, you will learn to explain the term referred for the flower based on the number of floral whorls, symmetry and sexuality. Explain the term referred for the plant based on the sexuality of the flower. And cite examples of plants showing variation in flowers. Let us study about the variation in flowers. There are different terminologies used for the flower based on different criteria. Flower is considered as a highly modified shoot meant essentially for sexual reproduction of the plant. A typical flower has 4 floral whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx consists of sepals, corolla consists of petals, androecium consists of stamens, and gynoecium consists of carpels. The presence of these floral units varies in different types of flowers. In some flowers, all the 4 floral whorls are present, whereas in some of the floral whorls are absent. Based on the presence of the floral units, the flowers are divided into 2 types: complete flower and incomplete flower. Complete flower is the one which has all the 4 floral whorls, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Some of the examples of complete flower are Bauhinia species, that is Kachnar, Annona reticulata, Hibiscus rosa sinensis and Clitoria ternacea. The second type of a flower is incomplete flower. In incomplete flower, out of 4 floral whorls, 1 or more floral whorls are absent. For example, male flower of Ricinus communis doesn't have the gynoecium. Similarly, the female flower of Ricinus communis doesn't have the androecium. In case of Carica papaya, in the image, you can see the female flower with the calyx, corolla and gynoecium. Here, androecium is absent. In case of Alocasia species, the pointer shows the female flowers. These female flowers have only 1 floral whorl, that is gynoecium. The calyx, corolla and androecium are absent. The flowers are also classified based on the symmetry. There are 3 types of flowers: actinomorphic flower, zygomorphic flower and asymmetric flower. Symmetry of a flower is determined by vertically dividing the flower from the middle. Let us study about the actinomorphic flower. In an actinomorphic flower, all the floral units in a whorl, they are of similar size and shape. So when the flower is divided into 2 equal halves, both the halves will be similar. You can divide the actinomorphic flower into 2 equal halves through any longitudinal plane. Actinomorphic flowers are also called as radially symmetrical flowers. Actinomorphic flowers are shown by a symbol which is shown in the bracket. The examples of actinomorphic flowers are Vinca rosea, Mirabilis jalapa, Taberna montana species, Capsicum frutiscens and Cucurbita species. The second type of a flower is a zygomorphic flower. In zygomorphic flower, the floral whorl units are not of similar shape and size. There is a variation in the shape and size within the floral whorl units. So you can divide this flower into only one median plane. These flowers are bilaterally symmetrical flowers, and the example of zygomorphic flowers are Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Clitoria ternacea, impatient species, Ocimum sanctum, and Sesamum species. The next type of a flower is asymmetric flower. There are certain plants, they bear the flower which cannot be divided into two equal halves through any plane. The example of the flower which shows this condition is Canna indica. The flowers are also categorized based on the sexuality of a flower. Sexuality of a flower depends upon the presence or absence of the male reproductive organ, that is the androecium, and the female reproductive organ, that is the gynoecium. Based on the sexuality of a flower, there are three types of flower: bisexual flower, unisexual flower, and sterile flower. Let us learn about the bisexual flower. These flowers have both the androecium and the gynoecium. These flowers are also called as hermaphrodite flowers. Example of plants showing bisexual flowers are Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Ocimum sanctum, and Ocimum sanctum. The second type of a flower is unisexual flower. Unisexual flower have only one type of a sex organ, either the male or the female. Based on the type of the sex organ, they are divided into two types: staminate flower and pistillate flower. Staminate flowers, they have the androecium, that is the male sex organ. Here the female sex organ is absent. Pistillate flowers, they have the female sex organ, that is gynoecium. Here the androecium is absent. The example of the plants which shows unisexual flowers are Cocos nucifera. In Cocos nucifera, the image shows both the male and the female flower. Alocasia species, Colocasia species, Zea mays, and Ricinus communis. The third type of a flower which is categorized on the sexuality is the sterile flower. These are the flowers which are without the sex organs, and the flowers which are without the sex organs, they are called as neuters. Neuters are found in the Alocasia species as well as in Colocasia species. The image shows the neuters as well as the male flowers and the female flowers. Based on the sexuality of a flower born on the plants are classified into different types. These are monoecious plant, dioecious plant, and polygamous plant. In monoecious plants, the staminate and the pistillate flowers are borne on the same plant. In the image, you can see the Ricinus communis inflorescence showing the male flowers and the female flowers. In dioecious plant, the male and the female flowers are borne on two different plants. The example of dioecious plants are Carica papaya. In one image, you can see only the male flowers, whereas in the other, you can see only the female flowers. Other example of dioecious plant are date palm. The third type of the category is polygamous plant. There are certain varieties of Carica papaya which bear bisexual as well as both unisexual flowers. That is unisexual staminate and pistillate flowers. These plants are called as polygamous plants. These are the references which are being used for the preparation of module, and thank you.